This crayon cup is a cute and easy craft that makes for a fun kids activity on Thanksgiving. To make your own, you need black cups, scrapbook paper, a button, an X-acto knife, black foam, your hot glue gun, and white craft paint. Use an X-acto knife to carve out the bottom of the cup. Add the craft paint to the trim of your cup. The design is up to you. While the paint dries, I glued a button to a piece of scrapbook paper. Cut out a foam circle and glue it to the cup. Glue the paper and button to the cup and fill with crayons. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.